How to check out with Afterpay. It is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can check out with Afterpay. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you need to go to any of the store which accept Afterpay as a payment method. So far that we will come to the Afterpay, and then you can actually explore inventory and brands which support the Afterpay. Suppose Shein does so. I'm just going to click on Shein and it will open up the Shein store. Now here what you have to do is you simply have to select any of the product you want to buy. Add that product into your cart. Now in your cart you will easily be able to now pay for the product using different payment methods. And one of the payment methods should be off to pay now. Suppose I have added this product now into my cart. Let me just do that. So there you go, and I have added this into my cart, and I will simply go to my card now. In different payment method, you just have to select Afterpay as your payment method. After this, I will simply click on this checkout now, and at first it will want me to log in. After logging in, what you have to do is simply have to put your Afterpay account's information to check out using. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.